Good morning students, welcome to online class. In the last class what is completed? So in the last class exercise 4.1 completed. There what we used and in introduction I told you corresponding angles, alternate angles, vertically opposite angles and a straight line. I told you line segment, ray, everything completed. Now today we will start exercise 4.2. So vertically opposite angles are equal. I told you already. So exercise 4.2 first problem is what? In the given figure, three lines AB is a straight line, CD is a straight line, EF is a straight line, all three meet at O. AB is a straight line, three straight lines are given, they meet at O. So AB straight line, CD straight line, EF straight line intersect at O. Find the values of x, y, z. Being given that x is to y is to z equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. So how many angles are given in the diagram? Three angles are given, three straight lines are given. What are the straight lines? AB is a straight line, CD is a straight line, EF is a straight line. How many angles are given? X is first angle, three angles are given. X is the first angle, Y is the second angle, Z is the third angle. All three lines meet at O. So we need to find out x how much, x value, y value, z value. So x is to y is to z how much? 2 is to 3 is to 5. 2 is to 3 is to 5 means x 2 parts, not 2 degrees. X is 2 parts, y is 3 parts, z is 5 parts. So find the values of x, y, z. So see the solution. What is given? Given straight lines. AB is a straight line. CD is a straight line. EF is a straight line. Intersect at O. So write the solution. Given AB straight line, CD straight line, EF straight line intersect at O. First step is AB straight line, CD straight line, EF straight line intersect at O. Next, x is to y is to z equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. X 2 parts, y 3 parts, z 5 parts. You know, let x equal to 2k. 2 parts means 2k. Y equal to 3k. Z equal to 5k. X how much? 2k. Y how much? 3k. Z how much? 5k. See the diagram once. This is how much? X. Opposite angle also x only. You know the reason. They are vertically opposite angles. This is x. This is also x. Finish the diagram first. X opposite x. Y opposite y. Z opposite z. So total diagram completed. X opposite x, y opposite y, z opposite z. Now what is visible to you in the diagram? Complete angle at O. See the diagram. See the diagram once. X opposite x, y opposite y, z opposite z. So what is the angle? Complete angle. So totally it is completed at O. So at O total angle is 360 degrees. Okay na? So no need to write about x opposite x, y opposite y, z opposite z like that. But you show the values in the diagram x opposite x, y opposite y, z opposite z because they are vertically opposite angles. That is the reason. Okay na? So total angle at O 360 degrees. Okay na? So from the diagram total angle at O equal to 360 degrees. I told the reason also. Why? It is complete angle. It is complete angle. Complete angle means 360 degrees. What is the meaning of complete angle? One full circle means it is 360 degrees. So what are the angles at O? What are the angles at O? X 2 times x plus x, y 2 times y plus y, Z 2 times Z plus Z equal to 360 degrees. Okay na? So total angle at O, x 2 times because they are vertically opposite angles, y 2 times because they are vertically opposite angles, z 2 times same reason equal to 360 degrees. Add them, 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 360. Okay na? So 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 360 degrees. Then what to do? 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 360 degrees. Let us take 2 common because everywhere 2 is there. 2x, 2y, 2z. Total 360. Let us take 2 common. What we get? X plus y plus z equal to 360 degrees. Okay na? So 2 common, x plus y plus z equal to 360. Now what is moving to right side? 2 is moving to right side. Then what is left? X plus y plus z equal to 360 by 2. What is x plus z plus y plus z value? 360 by 2. Then x plus y plus z equal to 180. Cancellation, 2, 360, 180 times cancel. Then what is x value? 2x plus 2k. What is y value? 3k. What is z value? 5k equal to 180. Total how much? 10k equal to 180. What is 10k value? 180. What is k value? 180 by 10. What is k value? 180 by 10. K value 180 by 10. Do cancellation. How many times? 18 times. So what is k value? 18. So what is x value? 2k. 2 into 18. How much? 36. What is y value? 3k. 3 into 18. How much? 54. What is z value? 5k. 5 into 18 equal to 90 degrees. So that is about the problem. X value 36, y value 54, z value 90. See the diagram again. X how many times? Actually one time is given. We are writing second time also because they are vertically opposite angles. So x 2 times, y 2 times, z 2 times, and total angle at O. Total angle completed means it is 360. 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 360. 2 common, x plus y plus z equal to 360. 2 is moving to right side. X plus y plus z equal to 360 by 280. What is x value? 2k. What is y value? 3k. What is z value? 5k equal to 180. Total how much? 10k equal to 180. What is k value? 180 by 10? 18 times. So k value how much? 18. What is x? 2k. 2 into 18, 36. What is y? 3k. 3 into 18, 54. What is z? 5k. 5 into 18, 90 degrees. Write down. Sir. Pass. Write down problem number 2. What is problem number 2? Find the value of x in the following figures. So 4 diagrams are given. In every diagram, we need to find out x value. See the first diagram, protractor shape. 2 angles are there. They are adjacent. See the second diagram, 3 angles are there. See the third diagram, 2 angles are there. See the fourth diagram again, 2 angles are there. So first one solution. First one, observe the diagram and name the angles. First angle 3x plus 18, second angle 93. They lie side by side, means they are adjacent angles. So totally it is protractor shape. It is nothing but linear pair. I told the definition of linear pair already. The angles should be adjacent angle. They should lie side by side. So see the first one solution. From the diagram, 3x plus 18 plus 93 equal to 180. Write the reason why it is 180. Linear pair. Linear pair. Okay na? Reason should be clear. It is linear pair means sum of two adjacent angles 180. Protractor shape. Add them. 3x plus add these two 101 equal to 180. 3x plus 101 equal to 180. 3x plus how much this one? 18 to 93. 111 equal to 180. Three x equal to 180 minus 111. How much? 3x equal to 69. 3x value how much? 69. Then x equal to 69 by 3. How much? 23. What is x value? 23. So first sum, linear pair, adjacent angles, protractor shape. Observe everything. So 3x plus 18 first angle plus 93 equal to 180. Write the reason. It is linear pair. 18 to 93 111 111 equal to 180 plus 111 is moving to right side. 3x equal to 180 minus 111. 3x equal to 69. X equal to 69 by 3. Cancellation 23. So what is x value? 23. See the second diagram. Second diagram, how many angles are there? 3 angles are there. First angle x minus 24. Second angle 29. Third angle how much? 296. All together complete angle. Complete rotation. Full circle completed means it is complete angle. So from the diagram x minus 24 plus 29 plus 296 equal to 360. Reason? Complete angle. Complete angle. CA for complete angle. Add them. X. See the values. One in a bracket. Minus 24 plus 29. 5. 5 plus 296. 301. Okay na? 301 equal to 360. 29 minus 24 how much? 5. 5 plus 296 how much? 301 equal to 360. X equal to 360 minus 301. What is x value? 59. Second diagram x value how much? 59. Third diagram. See the third diagram. They are what? Vertically opposite angles. They lie opposite. So from the diagram 2 plus 3x equal to 62. Reason? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. 2 is moving to right side. 3x equal to 62 minus 2. 3x how much? 60. X value? 60 by 3. How much? 20. So what is x value? 20. See the fourth one. See the fourth one. Let us take two angles. So from the diagram, what? 40 plus 6x plus 2 equal to 90 degrees. Because totally it is 180. Out of 180, 90 completed, remaining 90. Okay na? So how much? 6x plus 42 equal to 90. 6x equal to 90 minus 42. 6x equal to 48. X equal to 48 by 6. How much? 8. Okay na? So first sum, linear pair. X value how much? 23. Second sum, complete angle. X value how much? 59. Third sum, vertically opposite angles. Two angles are there. First one 2 plus 3x. Second one 62. They lie opposite. Vertically opposite angles are equal. 2 is moving to right side. Plus 2 becomes minus 2. 62 minus 2, how much? 60. X equal to 60 by 3, 20. Okay na? Fourth one, how much? 40 plus 6x plus 2 equal to 90. Add 40 plus 2, 42. Plus 42 is moving to right side, minus 42. 90 minus 42, how much? 48. X value 48 by 6, 8. In the next class, we continue the remaining exercise. Thank you, students.